out and set up this one look for bathroom. I want to look a closet with the face and the shit bowl, you know.
Yeah, people.
Yeah, clean up, you know.
So,
and
yeah.
You see, look at space, paper. Yeah, I know my 6 hours are going here, so.
Yeah, people, so.
Let's give thanks and praise.
Yeah, so people, so I decided bathroom we're going to use, people, we're going to use,
yeah.
You know, somebody give you some. Is me I say yes, I want place in a city, but we're not tell which part in a city with in a city. So, but yes, we're there right now, guys. You understand me? That's yes, so it better than nothing, guys. Then they are work funny. Yeah. But the lady say, by next 5 months, 2 weeks, man, work funny. So yes, we are sleep, you know, we are sleep as well. So this is a room, guys. Is me I say, but in a one closet. In a one closet, we're gonna make Mr. Nice stay in here, so in a little closet in here, so clean up in here and stay up in here, so people. So anyway, we just get us tonight. We are sleep in our hotel, but we are sleeping us tonight. Is me I said tonight we are sleeping us, so and then tomorrow we tied up in because we just reaching the night, so we'll make everybody know so we are right. I will just reach our destination and in so we get to stay, people. You understand what I mean? One nice little one room place and I'm sitting there, guys. You understand what I mean? So give God thanks to everybody who they are look out for you, guys. Don't worry on yourself, guys. One day things must get better. So Mr. Nice there. And see my daughter and son over there, so them just reach. Sasha kinda feel kinda shame, like, so she don't really want to come in the video and anything. You understand me? Kinda feel shame and she dumb, and but me tell her, say, boy, I'm not shame about. We still can do it same. We not shame to tell enough, say, boy, people are yes, so we get on them something. You understand what I mean? Nice place, people look good same way. You know, saying there's no shame about it. When you come afar and start a life. And you know, yeah, place good, but you want to hold up a work pan still, but we still can go on. You know, so at the time now, when the man them come to work pan, we just talk out with things them and go to do.